Good morning to everyone. Here we are going to see Moral Science of Class 8, lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Bonds of Friendship. So dear student, here we are going to see about friendship. In this lesson, we are going to see the bond of friendship. Now here is the writer of the lesson says about the bond of friendship between a prince, a little prince and a little fox. So we are going to start the explanation between the conversation of little princess and the fox. Now here the fox come to the little prince and say, "Good day," said the fox. Then the little princess replied politely, "Good day, you too." He turned around, but he saw nothing. "I am here under the apple tree," said the voice. Princess replied to the fox that "I am here under the apple tree." This fox and this princess is going to sit under the apple tree. "Who are you?" said the little princess. "You are very pretty." Now this little princess is going to say that, "Who are you?" That means she was not knowing that who the fox is. Okay. Now, "I am a fox," said the fox, "but I am not tamed." Here the fox replied that, "I am a fox, myself is fox, but I am not tamed." Tamed means पालतू जानवर नहीं हूँ मैं. Okay. "I beg your pardon," said the little prince. But after reflecting a while, he added, "What does tamed mean?" Now that little prince is going to ask about tamed to that fox. "What are you looking for?" said fox. Now what does tamed mean? That little princess asked, and in the same way the fox asked to that particular prince that, "What are you looking for?" That means what he is searching for. "I am looking for men," said the little prince. "What does to tame means?" Now that little princess replied to the question of the fox that I am looking for a man. Okay, they are not appearing. That's why I was alone in this forest and I was sitting in this shade of this apple tree. Now but the fox, now again the princess replied that, "What is the meaning of tame?" "Man have guns," said the fox. Now the fox didn't reply the meaning of tame, but he said that fox said that, "Man have guns," said the fox, "and they go hunting. It is most annoying. They also raise hands." Okay, that means the men are taking guns in their hand and they are going to hunt some animals. It is their only interest. "Are you looking for hands?" That means, are you looking for those person who are going to kill the animals, who are hunting the animals having guns in their hand? The fox said to the little princess. Now the little princess says that, "No," said the little princess, "I am looking for friend." He said that, "I am not looking for the man who is having the gun in their hand and going to hunt the animal, but here while sitting inside the shade of an apple tree, I am going to look for a good friend, or I am looking for a friend." What does to tame means? Now again the little princess asked to the fox that what is the meaning of tame, but the fox is again not going to reply. He is going to say something else. "It is a thing which is often forgotten," said the fox. "It means to create bonds." Okay, now the fox replied to the little fox that tame means it is a bond between the two persons. As we are having friendship bond between you and me, in the same way it is said to be a tame between you and me. As I said that tame means we are going to have some animals in home. That is also a correct meaning here, but in this lesson the tame meaning is a bond between the two person. Either it be a friendship bond or a good understanding bond or a respective bond. Okay, so here the fox replied to that particular to that prince that bond means it's create, or it means to create bond. Tame means to create a bond between the two person. Certainly said the fox to prince. Okay, now moving towards the next page of the lesson. "Certainly," said the fox, "for me you are only a little boy like hundred thousands over boys." Now fox replied that, "You for me, for my thinking is that you are a little boy like other little boy whom I need to see. I did not need you and you did not need me. Now the fox replied that you are a little boy like other little boys are for me. I did not needed you and you also did not needed me. For you I am just a fox like 100,000 other fox, and for me you are also a small boy as 100,000 small little boys. Okay. Now, but if you would tamed for you I would be unique in the whole world. Now the fox says that if you are going to tame means create a bond, then I would be the unique person, or our friendship will be the unique in the world. Have you seen any friendship between a bond between a fox and a prince? We haven't seen, but here fox is saying that if you are going to tame or create a bond between us, then it will be a good friendship and it will be create a unique friendship in the whole world. I am beginning to understand, said the little princess. Okay, there is a flower, I think she has tamed me. There is a flowers, I think she has tamed me. That means some flowers is being there under the tree. She said that a kind of bond is created between this flower and to me. But the fox came to his idea. My life is monotonous. I hunt hands and man hunts me. That means here the fox replied that my life is monotonous. Monotonous means a single idea is a single thing is that I am going to hunt man, and sometimes a man is going to hunt me. Okay, this is the only thing in my life happens. That's why it is called a monotonous. Okay, all the hands are alike and all the men are alike. Okay, and I find a little wearisome. But if you tame me, my life would be distracted in sunshine. I would know one footsteps that would be different from other. They said me, Kathleen underground. You would call me from my borrow like music. Now here the conversation starts between a fox and a girl, and they are starting conversation. That means a kind of bond is created between these two one. Okay, the fox was silent a while and looked a little prince. Please tame me, he said. Now the fox wants to friendship with this little boy or a little princess, and he was continuously looking on her eyes of this little princess. The little princess and the fox becomes great friends. They understood one another wonderfully. Now after creating a bond between them, they becomes a very good friend, and they are able to understand each other's thinking, feelings. Okay, the fox promised to tell his secrets to the little princess, but one day the time comes for him to set out again, and he went to see the fox. Goodbye, he said. Now after long conversation, one day it comes for him that he set out again. That means he is going somewhere. He went to see the fox, say goodbye. Now the little princess says goodbye to the fox. He said goodbye, said the fox. This is my secret, the really very simple. One see clearly only with the heart. What is the essential is invisible to the eye. Okay, what is essential is invisible to the eye, repeated the little princess, so he would remember. Have you got any friend in your class or school? Now the fox replied to that prince that I don't have any secret. Only the secret is mine is to becomes a good friend of yours. Is only the secret. Have you got, now the fox is asking to that little princess, have you got any friend in your school or a class? How did your friendship with each other them began? Now the conversation between fox and little princess is that the fox asked to the little prince that do you have a friend in your school or a class, and how your friendship begins between you two, how your friendship begins. I just want to know what are the usual basis for friendship among the students in your school. Similarity of communities, religions, regions and interests. That means now that fox want to know what is the friendship between to you and your friend. If you are having a friend in your school or a class, how the friendship begins and what are the things is necessary to become a friend, whether the community is needed, whether the religion or region is needed, or interest is needed. What is the thing between the to begin a friendship with other, what is the thing is needed, that a fox asked to the prince. Are student of your age generally shy in relating with student in the opposite sex? Why? What are your attitude towards them? Now here that fox is going to ask that whether you are having a shy nature, that opposite gender cannot become a friend, or you are shying towards the friendship of the opposite gender. Why you people are shying? For that I just want to know what are your attitude towards them. Now the little fox wants to know about this. Okay, now here, do friendship tend to be the lasting among students? What is the difference between a comrade and a friend? Is there a good team spirit in your school? Now this our whole question is asked by the fox to the little boy. As human we need others, we need friendship. Life become interesting and meaningful in the company of friends. Joys of life multiply when there are friends to share them, and sad moments becomes easier to bear with friends are nearby. Little wonder to depend so much of on our friends. Now here that particular that prince replied to the fox that yes, when we are having a friend, our life become more joyful, we are more cheerful by sharing our good things with our friend, by sharing the sad moments of your of with our friends. It's become easy to bear the sad things, isn't it? When we are very happy, we can share our happiness with our friends, it will get multiple. Okay, so these things are replied by the boy to a fox. Now it is not easy to discover true friends. You may easily find companion, but when it comes to make friendship, some efforts are required to your part. Now the actual thing that boy is going to explain to that fox, to have a good friend, true friend or a best friend, it is very difficult. To have a best friend or a true friends, we have to make some effort. Okay, otherwise every friend will become the companion. But when it comes to making friends, some efforts are required on your part. You need to look for them. You may not find many of them. If you are lucky, you will have a new friend and many common traits. It means that many fighters against you. Okay, they will act as a friend in front of you, but they were the rivals or companion of yours. At your age, it is natural to look for companionship with your peer group. And that means a fox is saying that at my age, at your age, the little princess age, you people are looking for the companionship of your own age group. We people are going to look friend for our own age, which belongs to our own age, isn't it? We are not going to make friendship with the people who are elder than us or younger than us. You may even gang up with certain people of your age. Every gang members may not be worthy to be your friend. You can easily pick up clues as to who will qualify to be your friends. True friendship begins with you. Find someone who cares for you. When you discover that she considers you as someone special. Okay, the bond of friendship is a unique relationship. You becomes important by becoming a friend. You becomes different from others. You becomes one of many. That means here a bond of friendship is a very unique relationship between the two persons. The two person when becomes a friend to each other, they are very important to each other. They are going to discuss their joy, they are going to share bad moments or sad moments with each other. They are enjoying their company and life in the relationship of a friendship. Okay, a friend brings sunshine to your life. Of course, when we are having a friend, they brings a sunshine in our life. You begin to care and share for each other. You share your thoughts, your passions. You understand each other. You love to make your friendship happy, and you take troubles to lessons his her worries and sorrow, you become so thoughtful for the others. Now after making a good friend, we are very becoming very thoughtful for the others. We want that whatever the things they, my friend should not be um, should not be become sad. Okay, we are going to help her, we are going to make happy, we are making joke to them, we are cracking a joke so that our friend going to smile in their sad moments, isn't it? All those things we are going to do for our friend. Now friendship is a bond of trust. Of course it is a bond of trust. It demands a certain loyalty to each other. It requires to be sincere, honest to our relationship. It also implies that we tame the animals natural in us. We must learn to be a gentle and considerate. Now here some essential things required for a friendship, that a friendship should be a trust, bond of trust. It tames certain loyalty, means friendship should, the two persons should trust each other, they should be loyal to each other, they should respect to each other, and they should have a good honest relationship. They should be sincere for each other relationship. Now good friends understand and supports each other. True friends however does not consist in mutual admirations at each other. It does not consist in empty praise and vain promises. It goes beyond. It consists in looking together in the same direction. It is hard that essential see. Okay, so here it is, the lesson is going to be end. We have discussed the lesson. Now this lesson is over. The summary of the lesson, or the main sentence of the lesson is that the only way to be a friend is to be one. It is said by Sir Emerson. Okay, so here our lesson number 2, that is bond of the friendship, is over. So for today's student, thank you everyone.